You've spent 3 hours in that cover letter. The hiring manager, 15 seconds. Most hiring managers don't read cover letters, but the ones who do, they're deciding in seconds whether you're worth talking to. In this video, I'll show you a 3-step process to write the intro paragraph of your cover letter, one that actually gets read using AI prompts that work. This isn't about writing the whole letter, it's about fixing that part that makes or breaks your application. Here's the issue. Most cover letters sound like this. Dear hiring manager, I'm writing to express my interest in blah blah blah. Or this AI-generated gem. I'm excited to leverage my synergistic skill set to drive impactful solutions. The real problem? People jump straight into listing skills, but that's what your resume is for. If your intro doesn't grab attention, it won't get read at all. Here's the fix. Don't lead with skills, lead with something they'll remember. A story that shows how you think and solve problems. And here's how to write an intro that actually gets read. Step 1. Find your hook. Start with something specific about the company that actually interests you. Not, I admire your commitment to excellence. Nobody writes, we aim to be mediocre. Instead, ask AI this. I'm applying for the job title of the company. Based on this job description, what's one specific challenge this role probably deals with? Give me 3 different angles. Now you're not starting with, I'm excited to apply. You're starting with, I noticed this about your company, and it matters to me. That's your hook. Use it to snap them out of skim mode. Step 2. Share a mini story. Once you've found the hook, connect it to something you've done. Use this prompt. Turn this student project into a 2-sentence problem-solving story for a type of role. Paste in relevant experience. Example result? Your focus on improving onboarding stood out to me. In my business strategy class, I led a project that helped a local startup simplify their client onboarding. Our recommendations led to a 10% boost in retention. That's not a skill list. It's a peek into how you solve problems and why it matters. Last step, make it human. Here's the prompt. Rewrite this to sound more conversational and less formal. Still professional, but in my natural voice. Remove any buzzwords. This step surfaces your real voice, not the one buried under stress and Googling strong verbs for cover letters. Because the best version of you isn't panic writing at 1 a.m. It's the version who knows what they bring and just needed a little help saying it clearly. And here's what a full intro paragraph might look like. 1 paragraph, clear, specific, and it sounds like a real person. Try this with just 1 application. Start with intro paragraph, use the prompts, see how different it feels to hit submit with something that's actually you. The link to my GPT is in the description. It walks you through the whole letter minus the corporate nonsense. And remember, your cover letter shouldn't sound like a resume in disguise. It should sound like a smart human who solves problems, not a buzzword machine. Like, subscribe, and maybe delete that template you've been using since 2020.